remarkable. When you see it, experience it, you're transformed. It inspires you to think about the limits that surround you. And imagine not what is, but what could be possible. Reimagine the possible. Reimagine intelligent innovations and exquisite control. Offering groundbreaking performance for cataract and vitreoretinal surgery.
Enjoy your birthday, absolutely.
Very comfortable. It was amazing, and I can't thank you enough. 40!